Hi everyone, welcome back to Coin World UK. I hope everyone is having a fantastic day. Today I'd like to talk to you about the 1977 Netherlands Antilles 25-cent coin. These coins are absolutely wonderful to collect, and there's lots of history to these coins. And as you can see, this is a circulated condition coin. I'm not even going to try and pronounce the engraver's name. I will leave that in the description, of course, and there is some help I need with the two symbols, one to the left of the coat of arms and one to the right, and I'll zoom in a second, and if anybody can tell me what they are, that would be absolutely amazing. And there we have the crowned shield, and with the 6 islands of Antilles. And this was from the 1st of January 1986 until the 10th of October 2010 when it was dissolved. And before that, there would be 5 stars, but the Netherlands included Aruba to complete the 6 stars. And then you have, I think it's a cockerel or a hen to the left, but I'm not too sure what this symbol is here to the right. So if anybody can help me, that would be absolutely awesome, and I'll add that into the description below. And then you have the Latin, which means freedom unite, or united, or in the sentence it's united in freedom. You have Netherlands Antilles, and then the date of 1977. I'm going to turn the coin over to show the reverse side. And you have the 6 stars for the islands of Antilles. You have the value of the coin of 25 cents, and then you have a plant at the bottom. If anybody can tell me what that flower is, I'll also add that into the description. These little details help people when they collect coins, whether it's from the Netherlands, world, European coins, or just collecting coins in general. It does help a lot of people. That would be really, really fantastic. And for the 25-cent Netherlands Antilles coins specification, the edge is reeded or milled. The weight of the coin is 3.5 grams. The diameter is 20 millimeters. The thickness of the coin is 1.55 millimeters. And the composition is nickel. And it's minted in Utrecht, Netherlands. And these coins are absolutely wonderful, of course. And of course, I'll leave all the information in the description box below. And if you can help me with those few details, that would be absolutely awesome. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, do all the fun stuff, guys. And whatever you're up to, have a safe day, and I'll see you all in the next video.